Since I went onto YouTube, and especially since the start of COVID, I've been having more and more people asking me about business advice about starting up a business. Well, this got me thinking, it's been nearly 14 years since myself and my wife started up our business. So is the advice that I'm giving them accurate? I mean, I'm just another window cleaner with a camera, so I'm not a big business guru. Am I actually giving them the right advice? So what I've decided to do is start up another cleaning business and see if I actually can do it again, see if it will work. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what the business I'm starting up is, and I'm going to go through the business plan, why you need a business plan, and have a look at some examples of the business plan for this new business I'm starting. So what's the business I'm going to be doing? Well, it's still in the cleaning industry. It's something I've thought about for quite a time now and kept putting off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up a roof cleaning business. I have thought about it for a while. It's something that I've looked into quite a few times, but I've never really got into. But quite a few of the customers have actually started asking me about whether I do roof cleaning, so I thought it was about time I did get into it. So that's what I'm going to be starting up. But whether it's going to work or not, I don't know. So what I need to do is write a business plan. So what we're going to do now is have a look at why you need to write a business plan. So why is a business plan important? Well, if you look at most of the other places that I've researched for advice, they say the number one reason to have a business plan is if you're looking for finance. But this isn't the most important one to me. The most important thing to me is a business plan will help you visualize that business. It will help you think what you're going to be doing, how you're going to be doing it, how you're going to be financing it. It really gets it straight in your head. So number one is to visualize that business. Number two is to see if the business is viable. So you'll need to do market research to see whether there's other people in your area doing it, whether it's needed. Work out your finances, your projected costs, your projected income, all that sort of thing, and see if the business is actually going to work on paper. Number three, in my opinion, is finance. So if you're starting from scratch, if you've been made redundant or want a change in career, you might need finance to start your business. So if you're going to go to a bank manager and ask for a loan, or finance some other way, then, or even a business partner, you can go along with that business plan and you can say, look, this is what the plan is, this is the projected money, this is what I think I'm going to take, this is what I think it's going to cost, this is what the profit margins are, and you can really talk through your business and work out whether that finance for you is viable or not. The next thing is it'll help you work out problems and risks that you might come up against. When you come up with an idea, it's all great, it's all exciting, but until you actually start thinking through the different stages of it, you don't really start thinking about the risks involved. So it'll help you look at risks involved, it'll help you look at financial risks, it'll help you look at actual physical risks while you're doing the job. It'll also make you look at your own strengths and your own weaknesses. The business plan isn't just something that you write and then forget about. Keep looking at it, keep updating it. It's a live document. So keep going, and then in the future, say your business has really taken off, you might want to sell your business. You can show the prospective buyer your business plan. You can show them exactly how it works, and you can sell your business with your business plan. So it's another good reason to have a business plan. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a quick look at the business plan that I've done. There's loads of business plan templates on the internet. They're really easy to find, but I got this one which I thought was a particularly good one from the Prince's Trust. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you need to download that. It also comes with a set of instructions on how to fill out the business plan, which I found really helpful, which pointed out the different things that you need to fill out and how you needed to do it, which is really useful to download as well. So let's have a look at what this business plan is then. So here is the first page. It is getting started. So this is talking about whose plan it is. So you've got your business owner's details, your business name, the owner's name, the business address, just basic details, your contact, your business phone number, your email address, and that sort of thing as well. Now this next page, which is section 1, this is the executive summary. Now this, the executive summary and the elevator's pitch, they say fill these in after you've filled in the rest of your business plan. And the reason for this is basically it's a summary of what your business plan is. So your business summary should, after they've read it, they should know what your business is, what you're doing with it, and how you're planning to run your business, but very briefly, because you don't want it to be too long. This is the first thing that they're going to see, and this might be the only thing that they do see when they read your business plan, or if anybody else reads your business plan. So you've got your business summary, so it tells you what you're doing. You've got your business aims, which talk about what your plan is, and then you've got your financial summary. The next one is your elevator's pitch. Now this is if you're selling it. So you've got your business name there, you've got your strap line, and you've got your pitch, which is pretty much what you're going to talk to people about if you're selling your job when you're going out and talking to people. The next section is the background. So it talks about why do you want to run a business, my previous experience. It talks about your other qualifications, what training you're doing, what possible training you'll be doing in the future, and your hobbies. The next section is talking about your services or products. So what are you going to sell? Is it going to be a service? Is it going to be a product? You're asked to give a basic product or service description. Describe the different types of products that you'll offer. So that's the different products. Then on to section 4, which is talking about the market. Are your customers individuals? Are they businesses? So you're going to be commercial or domestic. Describe the typical customer. Where are your customers based? So think about how far you're prepared to travel. Now, what prompts your customers to buy your product and service? So think about this. Why will they buy off you and not other people? What factors help customers to choose your business? So outstanding customer service, and I'm easy to talk to when people get to see me. So section 5 is your research, your market research, key findings from your market's research, and I found there was not a lot of local companies offering a service dedicated to roof cleaning. I've also key findings from field research. So I've asked my window cleaning customers, and they have shown a lot of interest actually, and I've picked up a few jobs from them. Section 6 is your marketing strategy. So section 7, well, I haven't filled this in because I don't think it's fair to put my competitors up on my YouTube channel. Now, section 7.2, SWOT. Now, this is talking about your strengths, your weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats. Now, this is really worth thinking about because it will help you with your business as you go on. What's my UPS or unique selling point? Section 8 is operations and logistics. So some of these more are if you've got a product and you're delivering it to the customer. You talk about your payment methods, so bank transfers, card, cash machine, and then you're talking about your suppliers. So you need to look at where you're going to get your chemicals from, where you're going to get your equipment from. There's also your equipment. So I've gone through a list of equipment here with roof scraper, pole, water-fed pole brush, backpack, PPE, and I added all that up, where it comes from, whether I've already got it or not. But these are the prices, and I've looked at it as if I'm adding it up for the first time. But this is just coming up with a few things that you can think of beforehand, so you've got an idea of what your outlay is going to be. You go on to transport then. Well, I've already got a van that I use for the window cleaning, so I'm not going to buy a second one, so I've already got that. Insurance, that's something that you really need to check. So I've checked my existing insurance and I'm actually covered with it because I've got really good insurance with Gleeman, which cover a lot of things. It covers working with chemicals, it covers pressure washing, there's a lot that it does cover, and it covers me for my window cleaning. Your next one is your costs and pricing. Now this is where you lay down, I've taken a roof cleaning as my service, and You go through the different things. Now, because it's quite a lot of variables in the roof cleaning, I've taken it on an average of a 100 metre square building at £7 a metre. So the next section now is your financial forecast. So because I've got a busy month with the window cleaning and then I've got a quiet month, I've said if I can do two £600 jobs on my busy month, on my quiet month I should say, and then if I only do one job on my busy month, then at £600, that's a total of £10,800 a year. Your next section, your personal survival budget. Now, this doesn't really affect me because I can fall back on my window cleaning, but if you're looking at starting up a business and that's going to be your only business, you need to work out all these to see if you are actually going to be able to live on what you're making. Then you've got your cash flow. So after a total breakdown, if those figures that I've got in that there are correct, that £10,800, after the first year, I'm looking at making £8,481. So, section 11, your backup plan. Now, this is a live document, so it can change all along, but your short-term plan for me, it'll be try for a year and see how I get on with it. I'm going to give it a go, see how it's going. My long-term plan is to build the business and take on employees. So plan B, if it doesn't work, is sell the equipment and concentrate on window cleaning. So that's your very basic business plan. Keep it realistic, keep it short, and it is a live document, so it can be changed as you go along. And once you've written the rest of it, go back to your elevator pitch, write your elevator pitch and write your summary, because it's only after that you've gone through all the other things that you'll really know how you're planning to run that business and what you're planning on doing with it. So I hope you come along with me for the journey to see how I get on with the roof cleaning. I'm still going to be doing the window cleaning and the window cleaning videos. So if you're not interested in the roof cleaning videos, when I do the thumbnail for the roof cleaning videos, across the corner there'll be a little yellow stripe with the roof cleaning, with the window cleaning, the gutter washing, that sort of thing. There'll be a black one on the other side. I've got loads coming up on the channel. The next episode of Starting Up the Business will be about marketing, advertising and branding. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any advice for me, I'm happy to listen, because I am learning. So if you've got any advice, drop it in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the video, to the channel. Make sure you catch up with all the episodes that I release on Starting Up a Business and see how I get on with it. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.